going on, people? You know, the season came to an end and it totally shocked me. So let's take a look at what I got on my wife's account. I delegated her all of my beta cards. She has pretty much level 6 teams in beta and a few special other cards that I've given this account, and it makes it the champion 1 with a bot, and we're allowed to use bots. And we're allowed to have multiple accounts, so don't get mad at me that I get lots of rewards right now. But they're changing the game, so now this will no longer be a champion 1 account. It'll be a diamond 1 at best, as is at about 330 power. So full level 6 beta is only 330 power. I don't know if I'm going to push it to a level 7 or just try to maybe get some dice cards up into that level 6 range to give the deck more playable cards and see if that pushes it near that 500k. I don't want to do the route of just getting golden epics and legendaries off the market to try to boost it up, because if I'm going to be in champion in this new setup, I want to compete and have the I don't want to just be people kicking my butt. I want to, actually have the power to be there and compete with other people. With that being said, let's take a look at what we got on this account. We'll just wait for this to go, and then we'll start the account flipping, or the card, the chest opening. It's kind of a bummer. I really wish I would have known when they were going to take away potions on this, because I was saving some up, and now I have a lot of extra potions on this account. I don't know if I'm ever going to use them. I'm just going to do a reveal all, and then we'll recap them afterwards, because 150 would be a lot to click on. So hopefully we get a couple legendaries here. There's a couple early rares. Oh, there's a pack. There's another pack. That's kind of nice. I guess I'll get to use my potions on those. Let's see. There's another rare, another rare. Nothing's turned golden yet. Goldens are gonna... Ooh, that was a good one to turn golden. That looked like it was a golden epic, the blue bull. I think Toro. I'll double check his name. He's really good in slow, because sometimes people go magic to counter slow, and he has void as well as being super slow. So he's a nice new card for that team. No legendaries, and a couple epics though. I got this one. Did I get any big dark crystals that I missed? Oh look, I'm in a tournament on this account. Let's see. It does okay. There's another epic. I hope I'm not missing a big DEC flip. There's 173. Yep, there he is. That's a nice card to get. There's a 133. There's some more. Okay, let's go ahead and go open the 2 packs. I like to open my packs. So I'll go ahead and throw that in here on the stream. Like I said, it's got some extra potions. So might as well just use them and see what happens, right? And these unnamed ones will kind of get... Oh, you know what? I didn't even realize this is my account. This is going to make a funny video if anyone actually watches it. So this is my main account. I thought I was doing this on... Oh, gold cards are always cool. That's a solid rare. Let's see if I get anything extra. Oh, I got 1 extra rare. A gold common, nothing super special there. So yeah, I'm sorry, this is my main account. I'll be going over to my wife's account. This is my main account that will stay in the champion. Kind of funny, but oh well. Bye.